This one's easy. What? I am a Gibby?
Henry, what are you doing?
Taking a which iCarly character are you quiz.
You're totally a Gibby.
Don't piss! Captain Man, stop.
There's a crazy ex-gymnast with super sticky shoes going around Swellview, climbing up tall buildings and stealing rich people's helicopters. And the newspaper says it's my fault for not stopping her.
This one's easy.
Helicopter, here I come. Ha-ha!
Her legs are like tiny fleshy weapons!
Huh?
Looks like you're stuck with me.
Nice quip.
Captain Man!
Kid Danger!
Now that we've yelled each other's names, what do I do?
Stop her!
Good idea! No! That's my favorite toe, Vicky!
Why must I be sticky?
Ow! Sticky Vicky is on her way to the police station! We did it! Go us!
Whoopee! Oh god!
Ooh, I should have said land on the roof of the police station. Note to self.
How are you?
Want more videos? Subscribe to the Nickelodeon YouTube channel now.